Good morning, children. We will understand the usage of article the today. What I will learn is, I will recall the usage of a and an that we use before a singular noun. I will understand the usage of the article the. I will learn to apply the correctly in sentences, both in writing as well as in speaking. And towards the end, I will understand and apply all the three articles, a, an, and the, correctly in sentences. Let's recall the usage of article a. We use a before a consonant sound noun. That is, when a noun is singular and it starts with a consonant sound, we add a before it. For example, a cycle, which means one cycle. Remember on the consonants that we had learnt last time? Let's move on to recall article an. We use an before a noun which starts with a vowel sound. All the vowels are, I'm sure you remember by now. Let's say with me, A, E, I, O, and U. So the words starting with their sounds, when they are singular, we add an before it, like an elephant. Let's learn something new today. The article the. We use the before a particular noun. When I want to talk about something in particular, when I want to mention a particular noun, I add the before it. Let's look at the example. The pig in the sty is old. So I'm referring to the pig which is in the sty. That is old. Let's look at another sentence. The house with the red door is mine. So which house is yours? The one with the red door. So I put the before the house and the red door. Let's look at some more examples, children, to understand this better. Before that, I want you to understand 3 rules that we need to learn, understand, and apply for the usage of the. The first rule is, use the when the same noun is used again. For example, I saw a boy. The boy was crying. Now, I am referring to the boy that I saw. That boy was crying. So, I put the before the boy. Rule number 2. Use the with a noun which is one of its kind. Like the sun. There's just one sun. It's one of its kind. So, the sun is shining brightly. Rule number 3 says, use the before the names of rivers, famous books, famous buildings. Let's see the example. We will go to Agra to see the Taj Mahal. Now here, Taj Mahal is a very famous building. So I put the before it. They're simple rules, children. I'm sure you'll be able to understand them. Let's read some more sentences. Let's look at the first sentence. A book is on the table. The book is torn. Now, which book is torn? The one that is kept on the table. So, my first sentence is a book and the following sentence says the book. Now, because I'm referring to the book that I have mentioned earlier, the noun rule 1, so I put the before the book the second time. Let's look at the second sentence. Suman is riding a cycle. The cycle is new. So, the cycle that I have mentioned, the one Suman is riding, that cycle is new. That is why I put the before cycle. Sentence number 3. The bell is ringing. Now here, bell is unique in its kind. There are probably in that school there is just that one bell. So I put the before the bell. So the bell is ringing. Sentence number 4. The heart pumps blood. Now heart again is one of its kind. Rule 2 says. That is why I put the before heart. Now let's go to sentence number 5. We went to see the Yamuna River. I put the before rivers, famous buildings and famous books, as said in Rule 3. So here I put the before Yamuna River. Sentence number 6. My grandma reads the Bhagavad Gita daily. Bhagavad Gita is a very, very famous book, holy book. That is why I put the before Bhagavad Gita. I am sure you people have understood how the rules apply in sentences. Let's read together and understand the usage of articles as we read these sentences given in the paragraph. Children, I want you to repeat the sentence after me. My mother is an English teacher. I am a student. My mother always keeps a storybook in my bag. My favorite storybook is The Red Riding Hood. I have a pet cat. It is white in color. The cat loves to sleep with me. As we've read this paragraph, children, I'm sure you've understood how we use the articles a, an, and the in sentences. With this, children, we come to an end of this topic, articles. All right, thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.